చెప్పండి. करना చూసుకుంటూ వస్తానండి. అదండి అటు పోతలే కదా, ఏం చేస్తాము. రమేష్ మేడం ఒకసారి ఇలా కూడా మేడం ఒకసారి ఇలా చూడండి.
Today I'm here because of Santosham Cinema and cinema. So that's my biggest happiness. Kani Irozu today because of them I'm here in front of you, so I'm very happy. Thank you so much. I love the jewelry. It's very lightweight. It's very beautiful. So yeah, thank you for having me here. And that is your?
This is our Victorian collection.
Oh, lovely. Nice. And that is the traditional
Temple jewelry where you can see Radha Krishna is swinging in.
So pretty.
Yeah. So this is what I was talking about, Kriya. It's about creativity or lightweight.
Oh, lovely. This is so pretty, Radha Krishna. Normally what happens is when you buy jewelry, it's a funny story about my wedding. I wanted to be a South Indian bride. So everything was ready. I got my entire jewelry ready. For many years my mother was collecting because I told her very early that I want to wear a sari, I want to be a South Indian bride. But this patti, Vardhanam, we forgot. My mother's like, oh, but you never wear bell. I said, no, but that's the whole look. So a week was left and then she suddenly ran and got me Vardhanam. So they got the whole Vardhanam ready. Kani Lakshmi Garu face wasn't there. What is this? My mother's like, nobody will notice, just wear it. We can't do more than that. But here the jewelry the small faces are the chala clear. I don't know how do you do that. Very clear. So it's
That's what we are specialization for.
So it's a lot of hard work.
We are trying to find the artisans who will give importance to Ammavaru space or Ramanu, like Ram Parivar. So that is a highlight. Even if the other is not a highlight, we don't want the god to not stand out.
Yeah, because that's such an important part. For me, jewelry, I love jewelry with birds. I love only traditional Indian jewelry. I think I've hardly ever bought anything that's not Indian. Dukante are like she said, our artisans are like so talented, but like sometimes you're like, okay, I need the jewelry, and you don't look at the hard work that's gone for thousands of years. So I'm really happy that they're trying to bring that out, because this one is just stunning. My mother is a Krishna Bhakt. This is beautiful that you can actually see Radha Krishna's face, and it's very clear. It's very, very clear. I should buy a Radha Krishna pendant from you. My mother will be very happy. So yeah, thank you for having me here. I love buying jewelry. So every time I come, like today for me, it's like exploring different jewelry. I think every woman loves jewelry.
So all are traditional bangles.
Yeah, I saw, and they're very light.
Yeah.
That's the
Speciality of this. This is Navratna bag.
okay.
You can find all 9 stones lying over here.
Tani, I love this the most. This
Yeah, this is the Ammavar where you can also see the detailing on it.
Yeah. And there's one with elephant also, I remember. Yeah, so it's very beautiful.
And I think the first one you're wearing is Navratna. Projects.
Showtime just dropped like I think 1 month ago, 15 days ago. It's a show that I did with Karan Johar, produced it. So that's one. After that, I'm doing a film which Teja Sarja is there, and so I'm doing that in Telugu. And I did a song in Surya's film in Tamil. So yeah, doing work and yeah. I know, what an amazing win. Very proud of him. He's always very quiet, centered, quietly sitting in the corner, very hardworking. He works really, really hard. Pavan Garu, one thing, he'll work very, very hard. He'll do like multiple retakes. And a lot of, like, once I was shooting for a song, he had a little injury also, but no one knew up until the song was over. I think that was Balu. But he's just an amazing soul, a very happy, good person. And he was last few years, every time I met him, he was very committed about doing something for the people. So it's great that people have chosen him, and I'm sure he'll do miracles.
Any cop roles?
I haven't done cop roles, no. Why do you want me to do cop roles?
Very powerful lady.
No, thank you so much.
When coming to all the woods, which is most your favorite one?
Favorite word?
Tollywood, Bollywood.
I call it Indian cinema. I don't call it Telugu Bollywood.
And already you have done with Balkrishna. So is there any chance to work with Chiru sir again?
I would love to work with Chiru sir again. I had some great conversations with him. I learned a lot from him. And so I would love to do something with Chiru sir again. He's very inspiring for whoever. He's an amazing human being.
And what is the dream role to act?
I think as a dream role, it would be to work with some really interesting directors, to get up in the morning and be very happy about the work that I'm doing, do a really good film, and yeah.
Finally, Telugu audience ki em cheptaru?
Chala thanks for all the love, for accepting me, for nth time lo tolerating me, for all the love. I am very, very grateful. I hope I continue to be part of your life and keep telling stories. Thank you.
సార్ సార్ మీరు చెప్పండి.
వెరైటీ ఉంటుందని లేదు. అక్కడ మీకు చూస్తే విక్టోరియన్ కలెక్షన్ ఉంది. సో అన్ని వెరైటీస్ ఇక్కడ దొరుకుతాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు శ్రావణ మాసం కాబట్టి దీని మీద ఫోకస్ చేస్తున్నాం మనము. అప్కమింగ్ స్టోర్స్ అయితే ఇప్పుడున్న మన పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ బట్టి తర్వాత స్టోర్స్ ప్లాన్ చేయొచ్చు. మాకు తెలిసి నెక్స్ట్ 1 year తర్వాత ఇంకో స్టోర్ డౌన్ ద లైన్ ప్లాన్ చేయొచ్చు. జ్యువెలరీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మా పార్ట్నర్స్ అందరికీ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ పవన్ గారు ఉన్నారు మా పార్ట్నర్. సో వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ కృష్ణ గారు ఉన్నారు, శ్రీనివాస్ అంకుల్ ఉన్నారు. సో వీళ్ళందరూ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పర్సన్ వేర్ దే ఆర్ ఆల్సో సపోర్టింగ్ అస్ టు మూవ్ ఫార్వర్డ్. ఇవి 18 క్యారెట్ ఉన్నాయి, 22 క్యారెట్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర స్కీమ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఆఫర్స్ ఇందాక నేను చెప్పాను కదా, VA స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 5.99% గోల్డ్ మీద అండ్ ల్యాబ్ గ్రౌండ్ డైమండ్స్ మీద 21,000 ఉంది. సిల్వర్ ఆర్టికల్స్ మీద అయితే MC ఇంకా VA లేదు ఇప్పుడు. అదే ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర స్కీమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రమ్ 2,000 నుంచి 20,000 వరకు స్కీమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి మన దగ్గర. సో 11 months స్కీమ్ అందరి షాప్స్లో ఎట్లుంటుందో అట్లనే 11 months స్కీమ్ ఉంది మనకి. సో మనకి 2,000 నుంచి 20,000 వరకు ఉంది. 11th month వరకు కట్టాలి, 12th month కంపెనీ బోనస్ ఇస్తుంది. దాని తర్వాత మీరు ఏదైతే జ్యువెలరీ సెక్షన్ ఏదైతే అమౌంట్ అవుతుందో దాని మీద మేకింగ్ ఛార్జెస్ ఉండవు.